Did you really think this is just a cheese grater? Well, they lied. Wait until I show you. It comes with 3 blades and the assembling is simple, easy and fast. It has a very strong suction that no matter how hard you try, it doesn't separate from the worktop while you are working with it. Let's try a cucumber. Oh my God! Can you believe this? I can't believe it. In a matter of seconds, it sliced it to the level of a 5-star restaurant. Look how thin and perfect the slices are. Let's try another blade and use a carrot with it. No. This is not real. How perfect in literally 10 seconds. I am so glad I got this. I just love it. Get the original of this device from the link in this video and enjoy your kitchen.